Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by connecting both headsets so Windows recognizes them. First, plug in the wired set or pair the Bluetooth headset. Make sure each appears in sound settings. Once done, set your primary device as the default output so apps keep playing. Make sure to note device names exactly. That avoids confusion later when routing audio. Now open Sound Control Panel from Sound Settings to access multi-output configuration and the next actionable options. Now you'll route audio to both headsets. If stereo mix is available, enable it, open its properties, go to Listen, and select the second headset as the playback device. That mirrors output. Alternatively, for app-specific audio, use app volume and device preferences to send different apps to each headset. Make sure sample rates match in device properties to reduce lag. Once configured, test playback in a media player and adjust volumes so both headsets hear balanced sound. Finish by verifying both headphones play correctly and that volumes are balanced. If you use stereo mix, lock the default device and restart apps to apply changes. This prevents Windows from switching outputs. If you encounter echo, lag, or no sound on one headset, make sure both devices share compatible sample rates, update or reinstall audio drivers, and retry pairing. As a key tip, use a lightweight third-party audio mixer if native options fail. It gives finer routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.